My name is Sondreal. I'm a project coordinator for Royal Electric. So I get here at 6:30. Usually I start by opening my computer, reading my emails, see if there's any requests that have come in. And if there is, reply back, say, hey, we'll let you know if you have any questions about this, and we'll get back to you whenever this is ready, or giving them an update about what's going on with that request. Then I usually go talk to Todd, see if he needs anything, and if he does, usually start on that, and then find Ken when he's not running around, always busy, but when we do have a moment, we always catch up. I let him know about everything that I'm working on, update him on the jobs and the requests that we have, and then he lets me know anything he needs done for that day and what my priorities are, whether it's for that day or the weeks to come. So after that, it's usually come out here, see what's going on with the machine, talk to Tanner about what we have planned, what jobs need their fabrication requests, whether it's a lid or a sign ID or a monument, and kind of just go over all the details with that. My dad growing up, he always was in the industry. He's worked pretty much my entire life. He's always been in construction, so having him in that industry, I was kind of like, well, he loves it so much, so maybe I would too. And I think I wanted to learn more, and I knew nothing about the industry at all. But as soon as I graduated high school, I moved out here and got an interview with Royal Electric just to see, because I've never had a job before, so this internship and this opportunity was pretty exciting to me. Going into my interview with Royal Electric, I kind of told them up front that all I wanted to do was learn, and I wanted to learn everything that I could about whether it's fabrication or estimating or project engineering, whatever it was that they wanted to throw at me, I was ready for it. And I think that was the initial attraction, was just that they were willing to teach me anything I wanted to learn when it came to construction. I worked with Tanner Durham initially. He was in charge of the CNC mill. That's what they hired me on as an intern for, to operate the CNC mill, help out Tanner, whether it was can lids or airport monuments. That's what I was mainly in charge of. And then it gradually started growing into getting more into the managerial side, talking to people in the field, the people that requested fabrication products. I would be the one that would talk to them and kind of get all the information we needed. And that has brought me to my position now as project coordinator. I'm way more on the managerial side and getting contact into the field and everything that they need, and getting feedback on everything that we've sent out. Make sure that it's good and we're making the products, the Royal way. I would say construction is definitely an amazing job to go for, especially if you're a woman. I think, there's not a lot of us out here. You don't see a lot of women on the fields or on a job site. And I really think that we should strive to do better about that. I absolutely love my job. I think all of the people I get to work with and the different personalities that you meet, it's very fast paced, and that's what I love about it. I'm a very, upbeat kind of person. I love to always be moving. I think the best thing about the job is just everybody's excited to come to work most of the time. Everybody has their bad days, but the majority of the time when you come to work at Royal, everybody's happy to be here and they're excited with the work that they do, and I'm the same way. I love working at Royal and all of the work that I do, because you get to learn so much. Even if it's not exactly what your job is about, you still hear about what other people do and people talk about their experiences, and so I think it's an amazing job.